Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale social media marketing with Hootsuite, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by signing up for a Hootsuite account on their website. Once you are logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Locate the Add Social Network button to connect your social media accounts. Choose the platforms you want to manage, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Authorize Hootsuite to access each social media account you select. Next, navigate to the Publisher section on the left-hand menu. Click on Compose Message to create your first post. Enter your content, including text, links, and images. Select the social media accounts where you want to publish this post. Schedule the post by choosing a date and time for it to go live. Utilize the auto-schedule feature for optimal posting times based on engagement. Now, explore the Streams feature to monitor social media activity. Set up streams to track mentions, comments, and likes across your accounts. Use this feature to engage with your audience in real time. Head over to the Analytics tab to review post performance metrics. Analyze which types of content resonate most with your audience. Adjust your strategy based on these insights to improve engagement. Consider using Hootsuite's content library for pre-approved images and posts. Organize your content to ensure a consistent brand message. Explore Hootsuite's Challenges feature for team collaboration on campaigns. Use this tool to delegate tasks, review drafts, and provide feedback. Keep an eye on emerging trends in social media within the platform. Regularly update your strategy to stay relevant in the fast-paced digital landscape. Finally, take advantage of Hootsuite Academy for ongoing learning and resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.